morning, guys. Guess what? We've got a little bit of a holiday and we've decided to squeeze in a biking/camping trip.
Killing my tires.
Not doing the hill part anymore. I'll have to look it up again.
Trying to get home and no accidents.
Before the weather gets too cold, and we've decided to go ahead and tri-cycle the whole of Lake Constance or Bodensee. We're excited about it. It's supposed to be good weather. So we're hoping that it'll stay like that for the 3 to 4 days that we're there. And yeah, here you go. Let's check out the route. Alright. Chargers need to still go in here. I'll just put this charger bag in here and then the chargers from the car will obviously take only at the end.
Okay.
Or you just like attach it to this and let it dangle. There you go. And we've started our packing of the car. Look at that, fits perfectly. Cool, well, the bikes are in. Now it's the tent and our bag. And we're off. Well, our tent's all set up. ISO mats on the floor, sleeping bags done. With a view. Check that.
Oh, so bright. All right, let's do it. Day 1 of cycling. Ho-ho. Let's roll. Sure did. Tell me to come down here and then tell me to come back up.
Because it says Mitte, it's like town center, and I'm like, that would be a nice place to have a coffee.
True. I actually don't mind. Good coffee?
Yep.
Let's roll. Beautiful day. It's not so hot. Can clock in a lot more miles here in Germany than in Malaysia. We got also these nice side street roads. That's pretty dope. Oh, the miles are taking its toll. It's 1:13 right now. We've been cycling since 8:30 and I am hungry. Oh boy, man, I could eat a horse right now. I'm trying to get to Friedrichshafen, get some food in. Looking forward to that sandwich Lomi packed. Let's get it. We made it We made it to Friedrichshafen. Getting it right here. Triple decker sandwich. Wow, that feels good.
Alright, we're on the last stretch. We've got about 25 kilometers and then we'll be in Lindau. And then I'm gonna get an Amaretto ice cup, which is an amazing German ice cream thing. Anyways.
25 km?
Yeah.
How many hours is that?
I think about 1.5.
1.5. Easy work. Let's get it. Man. Well, what kind of terrain we're on today, right now? Oh yeah. Road bike is not made for this. It's killing my tires. I know I'm gonna get a puncture. It's always me. It's never Salome. Just a matter of time. So, a bunch of stuff happened. Salome got into a minor accident. But she's alright. Bike's alright. But we had to take it to a shop. It took about 30-45 minutes to fix. And that made us miss the ferry. Once we missed the ferry, we went and tried to look for a train. And we were looking for a train. We found a train. We bought the tickets, 46 euros. We were like, okay, what platform do we have to get on? Checked my phone. My phone died. We also ended up missing another train. This is the third train that we're on. And it's basically gonna take us around the lake. But all in all, we'll be fine. It'll just take a bit longer to get home. But man, we were planning to have a coffee, ice cream. It just didn't turn out that way. Life. Ain't that right, honey?
That's right.
We're tired, hungry, and ice creamless. But we'll make it home. Boom. Morning, guys. Second morning after the fiasco of last night. Yesterday evening, rather. Trying to get home. We were just too tired and it was too dark to video anything. Took a bunch of trains, had a meal out, came home to the tent and just crashed. But today's a new day. And I mean, yesterday, the cycling was pretty successful. It's just getting back. All right, time to get the bikes ready, brush our teeth, get going.
So, it's a beautiful morning. I slept really well tonight because I think I was just exhausted. Today we're doing an 80-kilometer loop, going from here to Konstanz and kind of to Romanshorn. I'll have to look it up again. But I think first on the list has got to be some coffee. So I'm over here and this is where we get to have some coffee, which I'm excited about.
All right, honey, day 2 of cycling. How you feeling?
Good. Hungry.
Hungry. We'll get you a coffee. This is a nice little uphill to start the day, hey? Because you love uphill? God knows. Let's roll.
So after our very hearty breakfast, we're gonna drive this way and we'll be going all around this lake. And we will be on the other side. And then there's a little part of the lake that kind of goes inwards, which we'll then kind of follow. And then that'll bring us back to Konstanz. And on the way, we're gonna have some really good lunch. Not sure where, but it's gonna be seafood. And I'm looking forward to that. Cool. Bye.
Where are we?
We're here right now. Moose.
Moose.
And now we have to go all the way to Stein am Rhein.
Stein.
So technically we're following the red path. There are a few, but we want to stay as close to the edge as possible.
All right,
Okay.
game on. Let's do it.
Oh, this would have been such a pretty place for lunch, but you're not hungry.
Yeah.
We should have lunch here, but neither of us are that hungry yet.
So this is not Germany, it's Switzerland, isn't it?
It is Switzerland, yeah. We're gonna go over that bridge, and then I think we can continue our tour.
Right on the lake. Come on. We're getting close. My phone's died, so we don't know exactly how close we are. But I believe the next town is Konstanz. I mean, Kreuzlingen says Salome. And then we cross the bridge to Konstanz. So where are we having our coffee? Alright, we're having coffee at Konstanz. Whew, nearly there. Day 2 a lot more successful. Things are going according to plan. We're hitting the checkpoints we want to hit. And no accidents. So far so good. Finally got your amaretto, huh?
Yes, I finally did. And it tastes good.
Oh, well played, honey.
Go to bed.
Well
Actually, and
played.
watch something and then go to bed.
Very cheeky. What you making there, honey?
1 second. I'm cooking some chicken so we can have sweet chili chicken wraps.
Sweet chili chicken wraps. Wow. That's what's up.
Now, go ahead and, yeah, I guess move.
What up, gang? Day 3. Slept pretty well, actually. Getting used to the sleep system. It's 7:20 now. Today, in terms of cycling, it's not too hard. We've got 70 km to cover. But the part of the lake that we have to cycle at is a bit further away, so we actually have to take a ferry and a train to get there first before we start cycling. So that's a bit annoying. But yeah, I'm gonna pack up the tent today, pack it on to the car, and then start cycling. So that's the first task of the day. Ain't that right, honey?
Yep. Hello.
Get all that into the car. Alright, let's get to work.
how good these roads are. They're just massive. I feel like I could fit 8 bikes on this. 8 bike lanes. We're right by the lake. Shame that it's a pretty foggy day, so scenery is not as nice, but it is still very beautiful. Can't believe how much space they give for cycles. Of course, it's not like this the whole way. Maybe it's just popular parts. The weather is like perfect. It's cool, but it's sunny. Man, couldn't have asked for anything better. Alright, let's get to work. We're in the last 8 km, and boy, it feels so long. Any psychologists know the answer, you let me know. Oh man, I'm dying. The last few km, gosh, I know we're nearly there, but like your legs feel heavier. Can't wait to get to the car. We done did it. Now. Coca-Cola. Oh, better do a quick stretch after this. Give me some Coke.
We freaking made it.
Oh, honey. Come on now.
Good job.
Well played, honey.
Well done, honey, for drafting me pretty much the whole way.
You know, this stunning body for something.
Alright guys, we did it. We cycled the whole of Lake Constance in 3 days, 250 kilometers or 60 kilometers. And I think it's the 3rd largest lake in Europe, so something to tick off on our bucket list.
Pretty good, pretty good. It also goes through 4 countries, I believe.
Austria, Switzerland, Liechtenstein, and Germany, if I'm correct. Anyways, we're going back home now, about 1.5 hours back home. Sam gets to drive. But yes, until next time.